Alright, what's this panic about no toilet paper? Everybody's panicking about no toilet paper. Well, check out my solution. Guys, if you don't have any toilet paper, you gotta install one of these. No toilet paper in the coronavirus pandemic? No problem. Check out my video and I'll show you what we got. Guys, let's start by locating the water fill valve. Place a towel on the floor, close the valve, and then we're going to have to flush the toilet and remove any excess water from the tank. You can either use a vacuum like me, or if you want, just use some towels to soak it up. Alright guys, here we have the Clean Spa handheld bidet. I'll leave a link in the description below where you guys can purchase this. So if anybody was looking to install a bidet in their bathroom in the event that we run out of toilet paper, this is a quick how-to video on how to do it. It's a pretty easy installation. Basically what we have is our original valve that's connected to the toilet is going to be replaced with this valve. Alright, so what we're going to do is disconnect the valve. We should be able to just loosen this by hand. There's a little water in there, but no big deal. We just let it out onto the towel below that we have put in place on the floor. And now we can screw in our piece. There we go. You'll know when it's on properly when it just starts to screw on very easily. Once again, we want to just tighten this by hand and get it snug. Alright, once you have it snug, the next thing we're going to do is connect the valve that we took off that was connected to the original tank. Here, we'll just connect it right back to here. Once again, the key is to get it nice and snug. Don't over tighten it. Last but not least, we have the hose that goes from the valve to the spray nozzle. Here again, we're just going to put it in right in here, make the connection. We should just be able to hand tighten it as well. Just in case it's not tight enough, we have a wrench. We can use our adjustable wrench just to get it a little snug. We don't want any leaks. Now we can just connect our nozzle. Once again, we just need to hand tighten it. And that's it. We should be able to open the valve now and check for any leaks. And then we'll mount this on our tank and we should be good. Let's turn on the water. As you can hear, the toilet is filling up and I don't see any leaks from underneath here. Everything looks dry. The spray nozzle comes with a bracket like this that they use to mount it to the tank, and a little holder like this, which is held in place by some bolts and screws. So what we're going to do is we are going to position the bracket like this and slide the bolts through Okay, now it's tightened up. We just drop this on top of the tank like this, place it in a location where it's easily accessible. And then all we have to do now is place the nozzle in. That's it. All right, the location is good. Everything looks okay. What we can do next is just place the cover back onto the tank. And we're done. We can test it out now. You can see down below, there's a valve located right here. We just turn it on or off for the water flow, and we can test it. That's the off position. So whenever we need to use water, we turn the valve on, and then we have water. So whenever you run out of toilet paper, you may need to just wash your rear. I guess like they do in some third world countries, but we gotta adapt and make it work. Thanks a lot, guys. Hopefully you guys gained something from this, and maybe you guys want to install a handheld bidet yourself. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Alright guys, that wasn't too bad. A little backstory here. I installed that spray nozzle, or bidet, this is the proper term for it, on my toilet after we had all this commotion and panic going on around this coronavirus, where everybody was buying up all the toilet paper. So my wife asked me to install it, and I did. So hopefully you guys found this helpful, and you guys can do the same so you guys don't panic and, you know, have a clean butt, for lack of a better term, lack of better words. All right, bye.